Here we are at Boulder Reservoir, and I'm trying out putting the Insta360 into the glider. So I just realized that the last time I had this glider out was when Dan and I were filming One Fine Day, which turned out to have some pretty epic footage and recorded some sounds that from the flying field that I wanted to get. So since it's been a while, I did a little bit more thorough pre-flight on it. I checked out the wings and horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer, fuselage. It all seems like it's ready to go. For this first flight, I'm going to put in the big battery, which I know has a proper balance point, and we'll check it out. After that, we'll swap out the big battery and put in the Insta360 into this hole right here and put a smaller battery in and adjust the battery's position so that it is properly balanced. It's a little bit breezier than I'd hoped today. You can see the windsock is blowing a little bit, and well, we'll give it a try. Luckily it is straight down the runway. Okay, seems to be flying all right. Scaring all the prairie dogs. I didn't think there'd be much lift, seeing as it's cold, coming downwind right now. Okay, perfect. Engine throttle cut off. Safety. Battery disconnected. Radio off. Okay, I just finished test glide and everything worked out great. Okay, so plan is Insta360 goes in there. Now, the hard part is I can't fly with the big battery, and the big battery makes it balance really well. I have to mess around and try to find the right small battery that'll make it balance in the correct spot. So that's what I'm going to try to do now. It flew pretty well, actually very well, with the Insta360 and the smaller battery moved back. The balance was a little bit forward, so I did, as anticipated, have to add some up elevator to get a good glide rate. Now let me check it after 3 climbs. Let me check the battery levels, see where they're at. Okay, so I started off at 4.2 or around there, and now I'm around 4.1. So I feel like I got about 6 climbs. They weren't very big climbs, but I got 6 shorter ones. I think I'll throw another battery in there, see what we get. Throttle cut off. Looks like that Insta360 is sitting a little higher this time. Hopefully I won't throw anything off. Wind is down. Do it. Some pretty great test flights. It all worked out as planned. The wind has died down now. Probably actually great flying right now. But I'm gonna pack it up. Yeah, we gotta know when to say when. And today, everything went great.